I have traded Meta 3 times on this channel. 3 wins, returns of 1.8%, 4.1%, and 5.7%. Today, I went in Meta 4 times, but this morning didn't go exactly as planned. And I'm going to show you exactly what happened and why I still pulled the trigger. Everything on this channel is educational purpose only. I paper trade my own system. I am not a financial advisor. Please always do your own research. Let me give you the full picture. Since January, my system has closed 32 trades, 31 wins and 1 loss. That's the 96.9% win rate. The 1 loss was CRDO in February, and I showed this loss is also in this channel. I never hide losing any trades as well. Meta specifically, I have traded in 3 times. Every single time I win the Meta trade, and my momentum swing score this time flagged this stock 72.5 out of 100. That's my over 70 threshold, so I act. Before I do that, let me show you my trade book quickly. So when I open it, I just made a quick dashboard, and I would like to show it to all the trades also you can find on my channel as well. So if you can see it here, there was total 32 trade. Paper trade, I close it through the trading view. So 32 trades is here, 31 wins, 1 loss, 96.9% is the win rate, and my best return was 12.82%. I get in the Meta 3 times, and right now with the Meta, which I purchased this morning, is total I have 5 trades open. So if you can see it over here, the first trade was Meta, actually April 26, $600 I bought it, and the only thing is difference, I exited 2 separate dates. So that's the reason. First one is 1.81% return, and the second one is 4.14% return, and the third one was 5.68% return. So new entry, again, I'll just give you a little sneak peek. I just get into this morning $5.63.17. And as I mentioned to you, there are right now 4 plus Meta. I will add into this dashboard later on. 5 trades is open, and you can find all the closed trades, 32 trades, 31 win, 1 loss. You can find all the entries here, and you can find also watch all the videos on my channel page. So let me show you, let's go to the Meta right now. So let me start showing you in the Meta quickly how everything will go with Meta side. Let me open quickly this. So in the Meta, so today, this is the trading, sometimes is not go through exactly what you want. I would like to show it to you there. 1 minute. So this is a real trade. The market doesn't always give me what exactly entry price I want, but Meta opened significantly higher than my planned entry zone. So my ideal entry zone around to $530, but it was gone this morning because Meta almost jumped 2.3%. So let's take a look at the Meta charts together. So those are my previous trades, if you can see it. The first trade I just mentioned a couple of seconds ago, 100 shares, $600, $46, March 20th. And I have 2 different exits here. First one, 6/11, April 8th, and the second one, I exited 6/25. And my actually third trade was here, 100 shares, $566, and June 11. And then I am exiting here also. That one is $598. Today entry was here. So I entered $563.17. There's something happened. I don't know what happened in the trading view, but it just spooked me like this. So this is the entry I did, and my planned entry was actually is here around 540 range, and my actually the support level 543, but I was expecting it may go down a little bit, 530 level as well. And my price target for this stock is going to be $603. So I am already in, and let me show you all the open trades right now. If you can see, I have five open trades: Meta, BSX, ISRG, PODD, and RMD. Those are my current open trades right now. So let's see how the Meta will perform. There is only, the little bit of lagging right now is the PODD, but I have also huge expectation on this stock as well. So when we look at this right now, is Apple going 566. So far so good, and the indicator is also looking good. So this is our entry for Meta. We just did it, and this is the numbers I share with you. So what happened was, because as I mentioned in my previous videos, my risk and reward ratio should be 1 to 3 or 3 to 1, right? So when that jumped this morning in the Meta, risk and reward ratio actually always 1-1 ratio, and based on my criteria I may not get into it, but the charts and the momentum swing score, it's give me the good indication, and I fully support my momentum swing score, 72.5 number out of 100. So that's why I decided to get into this trade. So again, I am really fully transparent with you always, and that's why I'm informing you all this information. So as I mentioned, my momentum swing score on this one is 72.5 out of 100. 3 previous Meta score also about 70 on my system, and all 3 were winners. I just show it to you. The system has been constantly on this stock, and it seems like it's working very well on the Meta stock. So that's why I have built in the confidence and just getting to the stock this morning. So my game plan was, I can show it to you again, my game plan quickly. As I mentioned that to you a couple of minutes ago. So my game plan on this stock, let me close paper trading so we don't, can I have a more view? Yes. So little bit I can see that the stock is coming back down, but that's no problem, no issue whatsoever. So I was planning actually the Friday close around 500 for the level, expecting the buy this morning, but as I mentioned, it's jumped. So so right now is $543. I am expecting very strong support level. It tested a couple of times already, touched that level and bounced back there. But even though if it's going to go down to $530, I will not going to be surprised, and I will be still holding this trade. So my usually stop loss for this trade, I was calculating 514, but this morning jump, I have to little bit adjust my stop loss. So my stop loss will be around 525, 526 level. I have to watch carefully. So the target is going to be $603. So let's see how everything will perform, and we'll go from there. So I will result video and everything. Let me close this trade. Win or loss, everything will be shown. This trade is, I think, is going to be 33, number 33 trade on my channel. So as I mentioned, my system already win 31 times out of 32. So let's see how the fourth Meta trade follows the pattern, and if our game plan will work or not. If you want to follow this trade from the entry to exit, please subscribe. Every week I will pick the new stocks, and every week I will share with you the full results. No hype here, no promises, just the system and the proof. Thanks for watching, and see you next one. Bye.